Hi, my name is Klaus. I'm inspector today. I inspected this BMW for you. So it is in a high mileage, but obviously you would expect that for 2011 to be 90,000 miles. So, but however, interior is in a poor condition. The seats are extremely worn, and as you can see, as you've seen the vehicle yourself, you can see that there's so many scratches on it. Same on the door cards. Door cards actually in a better visual look. So that's the interior. Yeah, with kind of heavy wear and tear present. Bodywork is good. Structurally sound vehicle without any serious accident damage. Alloys are good with some curb marks. You will see that on every single one of them. Would need rear tires. Disc pads are good. Front ones are excellent. You can see it needs 2 rear tires. Getting low. Advising also tracking. However, there was not a healthy sound when starting the engine. Some sort of it can be from both high pressure pumps. It wasn't a chain. But yeah, it just did it initially on a cold. It wasn't sort of healthy, or one of the some sort of plates rattling. So that would need further investigation at some point. So these both doors, those other 2 front doors has been resprayed. Everything is done. It's an insurance work. It's done to the good standard. So is the bumpers. All the cameras are working. The splitter is snapped in the middle. Consider that acceptable. You mentioned the rear one. It's not original, but it's a BMW one fitted afterwards. Same as the rear splitter. It drives in a good manner. It doesn't pull left or right. It is still straight. No excessive vibrations noticed on the vehicle. The service is due in 8,000 miles. There are obviously oil beeps on the underside, but that looks like to me the seller's got oil can in the boot. It's been topping up the oil. The only thing which we'll have to leave you to decide is an engine is idling and under heavy acceleration, not heavy acceleration, but enough sort of acceleration enough from idle speed. There is a bit of blue smoke coming out. Once you rev it once, so that means it's more likely the turbos are wearing out. It's not excessive yet, but it's something which will be at some point, maybe not really long-term future, but in a short-term future. Okay, that is it about this vehicle. I will leave you to decide. We'll talk on the phone. Thanks for using us.